What is up, YouTube? Not much here. This is Jesse and Amber Vlogs back at you once again with another video. And right now it's actually snowing. Yes, boys and girls, a winter wonderland. Look at that. I actually got to make sure the escape artist does not get out, which is AKA my kitty cat. We're just going to close that. I just wanted to get on here and say, Amber and myself, we went to DoorDash today. So enjoy this footage of us DoorDashing. So, backing out the car, first car, it just snowed. Just parking my car, well, Amber's car, and you guys just fell. Amber's brother's gonna be on his way. He's gonna scoop our driveway. I just wanted to show you guys how much snow the state of Iowa got. I'm not really sure how much, but if you guys wanna see a winter, here is a winter for you, a winter wonderland. Like it's like Christmas all over again. It is windy. I'm trying not to bust my ass, screw up my brand new ACL. I did not fall. I bet most of you guys were hoping I would. Don't lie. Don't lie. If you said yes, then you're a butthead. Just saying that right now. Amber, I'm talking to you. Put you guys up here with my dash cam. I back out my car. Yes, I do have a dash cam. I think that Honda might be stuck. I hope not. I just got done driving Amber's car, so I'm thinking my car's a freaking push to start. How dumb am I? Down in the backwoods, round from the hollow, mama and papa taught me the value of a dollar. Now everywhere I go, I take a little bit with me. What is is up, everybody? Not much here. So right now it's 3:37 p.m. at night as of right now. And I actually, if you guys follow me on TikTok, which is right there, go follow me if you guys do not have me. I told people last night on my live that if I got 2 gifts, I would clean out her car. And did I, babe?
Yes, and I'm very appreciative.
There is a little clip of me doing it, and you will see our kitty cat Rolly
Trying to be helpful.
trying to be helpful and climbing all over the windows and stuff.
Getting the windows all dirty.
All I gotta do is just vacuum it out. So, are you happy?
Yes.
Did you see the cake that I made for you yet?
No, you made a cake?
I told you I was. I already had a piece.
You didn't wait?
We're gonna go to the Goodwill and donate some stuff and do a few errands, so we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Okay, what's up, everybody? Not much here. 4:06 p.m. at night as of right now. We just got done going to the Goodwill, and now we're gonna stop in, say hi to my parents. Then after that, I think we're gonna go back home and put away stuff, organize and stuff like that. Start cooking dinner, and then eventually go to bed. We're gonna go live tonight too on TikTok. Yeah, when I can go back going live, because right now I'm kind of banned until 6:08 p.m. tonight. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Don't be driving, and don't say Ozempic. Oh, by the way, I found your glasses.
Yay.
Now you can start wearing them.
No.
Oh, by the way, that one clip on the 4-wheeler, that was her brother. So thank you for doing that cool stuff.
I didn't want my baby brother getting hurt. It was scary.
I'm dangerous on 4-wheelers. I get in my zone. But anyways, we're gonna say hi to my mom, so we'll see you guys later. Peace.